Good morning, children. Now we have come to the evaluation part. Choose the correct answer. First question is first option. Second question is third option. Fourth question is receptor spinal cord muscle. Fifth option is B option, towards and away from. Fifth one is called the durameter outermost. Durameter. Sixth one, cranial nerves 12 pairs. This one. And spinal nerves 31 pairs. Next question, question number 7, efferent neuron. Eighth one is called corpus callosum. Ninth one is found in axons. Vomiting center is present in medulla oblongata. Nerve cells do not possess sarcolemma. Person who met with an accident lost control of body temperature. All these things, that is a function of hypothalamus. Next one, that is the 12th one. The next question, that is 12th one is MCQ. Next one, you are having fill in the blanks. The first one, I have written the answers also. Children, you should copy in your notebook or in the book. Dash is the longest cell in our body. First answer is nerve shell. Impulses travels rapidly in medulated or myelinated neurons. Third question, a change in the environment that causes an animal to react is called response. Fourth one, dash carries the impulse towards the cell body, that is dendrites. Fifth one is two antagonistic components of the autonomic nervous system are sympathetic and parasympathetic nerves. Parasympathetic, sympathetic and para, we have to add two types. This is one, this is the second one, nerves. Sixth one, neuron contains all cell organelles except centrioles. And the next one, seventh one, dash maintains a constant pressure inside the cranium, that is called CSF. CSF, full form is C for cerebro, PS for spinal, F for fluid, CSF. Now next one, dash, eighth one, dash and dash increases the surface area of the cerebrum. Gyri, singular form is gyrus and sulcus. Ninth one, the part of the human brain which acts as relay center, which is called the thalamus. Thalamus is the right option. Next one, state whether true or false. If false, write the correct statement. First question is false, and I have marked also in the book. It is written dendrites. In here you have to write. Here you have to write, instead of dendrons you have to write axons. Axons, AXONS. Axons are the longest fiber. Next, second one, that sympathetic nervous system is a part of central nervous system. So in two places, this is also false. Now, sympathetic nervous system is a part of, this one you strike out and write autonomic. I have written also, it is autonomic, AUTO, second answer, false. Instead of the central nervous system, you have to write autonomic. Autonomic. Third one, hypothalamus is the thermoregulatory center of human body. That is correct only. So true. Fourth one, the cerebrum controls the voluntary actions of our body. This is also false. Instead of cerebrum, you have to write cerebellum. Instead of that's why the fourth one is false. Instead of cerebrum, you have to write the cerebellum. Fifth one, in the central nervous system, myelinated fibers form the white matter. This statement is true. All nerves in the body are covered and protected. All the nerves of the body are covered and protected by meninges. This is also false. Question number 6, I have written false. All the nerves in the body, instead of that, you have to write brain. Till here you have to strike out and you have to write brain is covered and protected by meninges. Now seventh one, CSF provides nutrition to the brain. This is true. So seventh one is true. Eighth one, a reflex arc allows the rapid response of the body to a stimulus. This is also true. So eighth one is also true. Ninth one, Pons helps in regulating respiration. That is also true. So this is all the true false. Now Roman letter 4, you have to match this one. So right side Nissel's granules we can see in cyton. Hypothalamus, it is a part of forebrain. Cerebellum is the part of hindbrain, and Schwann cell we can see in peripheral nervous system. Now next one, understand the assertion and everything, and I have marked question number 1, it is B option. That way both reason is correct and the assertion is wrong. And the second question I have written D, both are wrong. Now short answers. Short answers that I have written also, page number we have to go and we have to find out. So short answers, question number 1, define stimulus. Define stimulus. So you have to go to the page number 208. Come to the page number 208 and I will show also page number 208. Page number 208. This is the page number 218. This is the stimulus. Start from there till the in the body. That is the definition. Second question, name the parts of the hindbrain. Name the parts of the hindbrain. I have written on paper. Parts of the hindbrain. First part is called the cerebellum. Second is called the pons, and third is called the medulla oblongata. So that is the second question. Third question, what are the structures involved in the protection of brain? Third question. So again I have written the answers. They are cranium or skull and membranes. They are called the meninges. So these 2 points you have to, these 2 words you have to write. Cranium or skull and meninges. They are protecting the brain. Now fourth question is, give an example of conditional reflexes. I have written the answers also. Playing harmonium is an example of conditioned reflex. Now next, reflexes, which acts as the link between nervous system and the endocrine system. Now this is hypothalamus. Only one word answer. Hypothalamus. THALA. Thalamus. Now sixth question is, define reflex arc. Then you have to go to the page number 224. Come to the page number 224. Page number 224. That is the pathway. That's why 6 Roman letterless 6 question. The pathway taken by the nerve impulse to accomplish reflex action is called the reflex arc. Only these 2 lines. Now next one, the differentiate, 7th Roman letter, differentiate between voluntary and involuntary actions. That I have written on paper. I will read it again. Voluntary actions which occur according to our wish or will. That means according to our wish, these functions or actions will be performed. It takes place due to the movement of body parts such as walking, talking, TALK, talking, running, etc. Now involuntary actions which do not occur according to our wish or will. Wish or will. Stop. It is the inherent nature of the organs to do their functions. It is inherent, automatically. They will be different organs in our body, internal organs. They will be doing their functions automatically, such as sneezing. Functions of the heart, heartbeat, functions of the heart, lungs. These are the examples of involuntary functions, actions. Medullated and non-medullated nerve fibers. That also I have written again. Medullated nerve fibers are the neurons or nerve cells whose action is covered by the myelin sheath. They are called the medullated nerve fibers. They are also called myelinated nerve fibers. It occurs in the medulla region of the cerebrum. Part of cerebrum is part of the forebrain, and it forms the white matter. It forms white matter of the brain. Non-medullated, that means just opposite. Actions are not covered by the neurons or nerve cells are now whose actions are not covered by the myelin sheath. They are called the non-medullated neurons. It occurs in the cortex region of the cerebrum. It forms the grey matter of the brain. Now these are the two differences. Now long answer questions. With a neat labeled diagram, explain the structure of the neuron. Then you have to go to the page number, that is 8th Roman letter, page number 219. Come to the page number 219. Page number 219, that is the structure of neuron. Diagram is 2 marks, and the writing part till here, writing part. So all the 4 parts, such as all the 3 parts, such as cyton, dendrites, and action. For writing this one 3 marks and diagram 2 marks, totally 5 marks. It is a 5 marks question. Now next question is illustrate the structure and function of brain. Structure and function of brain. Then you have to come to the page number 222. The question Roman letter 8, question number 2. The page number is 222. Now there, page number 222, that is the brain structure diagram you have to draw. That is for 2 marks question, 2 marks. And the function. The function page number you have to count to the 223. For functions, you have to come to the page number 223. In that tabular column, different parts are there. Functions: cerebral cortex, thalamus, hypothalamus, cerebrum, pons, and medulla oblongata. All the functions are there. So this is in page number 223. Okay, thank you children.